How can the state government make such a move? Our Honorable Chief Minister Revanth Reddy sir has also stated that a person like Allu Arjun, he is just a cinema person. వీళ్ళు సినిమా మీద ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు, సో దానికోసం డబ్బు కోసం ఇలాంటి విషయాలు కండక్ట్ చేయడం, ఇలాంటి థియేటర్కి వెళ్ళడం. మై క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్, he himself has said that he has been to Sandhya Theatre which is in Hyderabad for the past 20 years. నేను వెళ్తున్నాను దాదాపు 30 ఇలా ఉండే సమయంలో there could have been lot of accidents could have happened, right? Okay, one such accident has already happened. Okay, it has happened. We are feeling very 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 sorry for the deceased person. ఆవిడ చనిపోయిన ఆవిడ కోసం చాలా అందరూ, nobody is saying it is like it's okay chalenge. No, we are feeling